Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. How are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Burishal Cadet College online class program. In this time, corona pandemic is very much alarming. So, dear cadets, you must stay aware, wash your hands, use a tissue for coughs, and avoid touching your face. I am Mohammad Kamaluddin Monir, lecturer in mathematics, Burishal Cadet College. No more delay. Today, I'll discuss class 9 mathematics factorization. Today's topic is factorization, chapter 3.3 and 3.4. After completing this lesson, cadets will be able to resolve expression into factors, explain middle term break, and apply Riemann theorem. Now, what is factorization? If an expression is equal to the product of two or more expressions, each of the latter expression is called a factor of the former expression. After finding the possible factors of any algebraic expression and then expressing the expression as the product of these factors are called factorization or resolution into factors. The algebraic expressions may consist of one or more terms. So the factors may also contain one or more terms. Some process of resolving expressions into factors will be discussed here. Common factor. First condition is common factor. If any polynomial expression has common factor in every term, at first they are to be found out. For example, 2ab into x minus y plus 2bc into x minus y plus 3ca into x minus y. Here in these three terms, x minus y are common. Here x minus y, also second term x minus y, in third term x minus y. So take common x minus y. So you get, after taking common, x minus y into 2ab plus 2bc plus 3ca. Perfect square. An expression can be expressed in the form of a perfect square. For example, 4x square plus 12x plus 9. It can be written in the form 4x square means 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3, and 9 can be written as 3 square. So you know the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write 2x plus 3 whole square, and 2x plus 3 whole square means 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3. So in perfect square, we can factorize 4x square plus 12x plus 9 in terms of 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3. Now difference of two squares. Expressing an expression as the difference of two squares and then applying the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. I have written the result at first because it is important. This is middle term break factorization. So x square plus 12x plus 35. You can write 12x, that is 12. 12 means 5 plus 7, and 35 means 5 multiply 7. So you can write this in this form, x plus 5 into x plus 7. This is middle term factorization. Now middle term break up. This is the question. 3x square minus x minus 14. You can replace minus x by minus 7x plus 6x, and multiplication of 6 into 7 is 42 minus 42. Also, multiplication of minus 14 and 3x square equal to minus 14x square. So take common term from this two term, that is x. You will get x into 3x minus 7 plus take a common term from 6x minus 14, that is 2. We'll get 3x minus 7. And after that, take common part 3x minus 7 from this portion and 3x minus 7 from this portion. You will get 3x minus 7 into x plus 2, and it is a very good answer. Now, perfect cube form. Factors can be determined by expressing an expression in the form of perfect cube. For example, resolve into factors 8x cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square plus 27y cube. Solution. You can write 8x cube in the form of 2x whole cube and 36x square y in the form of 3 into 2x whole square plus into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y square plus 3y whole cube. 27y cube means 3y whole cube. So you know the formula a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we can convert this line, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube in the form of a plus b whole cube. That will be 2x plus 3y whole cube, and 2x plus 3y whole cube means 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. It's a very good answer. Now I'll discuss some example of result into factors. First question, a square minus b square into x square minus y square plus 4abxy. Solution. Multiply a square minus b square into x square minus y square. We will get a square into x square, that is a square x square, and a square into y square, that is minus a square y square, and minus b square into x square minus b square x square, and minus b square multiply minus y square will get plus b square y square, and 4ab square means 2ab xy plus 2ab xy. Now a square x square means x whole square, and take 2ab xy here, and b square y square is by whole square, and the rest of terms are minus ay whole square plus this term 2ab xy minus bx whole square. So in the form of the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and take a minus from this three part, you will get ay whole square minus 2 into ay into bx plus bx whole square. So from this part, this second bracket part, you will get x plus by whole square using the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and from this second bracket portion you will get ay minus bx whole square using the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now x plus by whole square minus ay minus bx whole square. And you know the formula, a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So you can write this term into this form, a plus b into a minus b. That is first term plus second term into first term minus second term. So this is our required answer. Now another question. Ax square plus a square plus 1 into x plus a. Its solution is multiply a square plus 1 into x, you will get a square x plus 1 into x, that is x, and rest of the part is a. Now take a common part from this second part, x square plus a square x, you will get ax common. Here ax is common, so take x as common, you will get x into x plus a, and from this part x plus a, 1 is common, so I've written 1 into x plus a. Now this first part and this second part, you will get x plus a is common, so take x plus a as common, you will get x plus a into x plus 1, and it is our required answer. Now another example, 3. A cube minus 9b cube plus a plus b whole cube. Solution. You can replace minus 9b cube into minus b cube minus 8b cube in this form. So write a cube minus b cube in the form a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is formula of a cube minus b cube, and you know it, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and 8b cube can be written in the form 2b whole cube. Also using the formula a cube minus b cube, applying a cube minus b cube formula, you will get a plus b minus 2b into a plus b whole square plus a plus b into 2b plus 2b square. Now a plus b minus 2b means a minus b, and you know the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and multiply a plus b into 2b, you will get 2ab plus 2b square, and 2b whole square means 4b square. Now dear cadets, see in this part here a minus b, and in this part a minus b are common, so take a minus b as common part, you'll get a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and after calculating this portion you will get a square plus 4ab plus 8b square. So our result is a minus b into 2a square plus 5ab plus 8b square. This question is very much important for your exam. Now another example, question number 4. Question is a minus 1 into x square plus a square xy plus a plus 1 y square. Solution is a minus 1 x square plus a square xy plus a plus 1 y square. Now a square minus 1 plus 1, so you take minus 1 and plus 1, this will be vanished. Now a square minus 1 into xy plus 1 into xy plus a plus 1 whole square. Dear cadets, a square minus 1 means a plus 1 into a minus 1. So here a minus 1 is present and also here a minus 1 is present. So take a minus 1 as a common part. You will get a minus 1 into x as a common part. So the term will be a minus 1 into x from this portion x, and from this portion a minus 1 into x is common, so you will get a plus 1 into y. Also take a common part y from this portion, this marked portion, you will get x plus a plus 1 into y. Now in this two part, see x plus a plus 1 into y are common. So take x plus a plus 1 into y as common, you will get this part a minus 1 into x plus y. So our record result is x plus ay plus y into x minus x plus y. Now question number 5, 3a plus 1 whole cube minus 2a minus 3 whole cube. You know the formula, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and I have used the formula, that is first part minus second part into first part square plus first part into second part plus second part square. So after calculating 3a minus 2a means a, and 3 plus 1, that is 4, and using formula a plus b whole square, you'll get this, and multiplying 3a plus 1 into 2a minus 1, 2a minus 3, you will get 6a square minus 9a plus 2a minus 3, and 2a minus 3 whole square using a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square formula, you will get this. After calculating, this line will be produced. At last, this is record answer. Now another example, question number 6. X plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 minus 48. Solution: x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 plus x plus 5 minus 48. Exchanging the side, x plus 2 into x plus 5 into x plus 3 and x plus 4. Now multiplying x plus 2 into x plus 5, you will get x square plus 7x plus 10, and from x plus 3 into x plus 4, you will get x square plus 7x plus 12. Now taking x square plus 7x equal to a, the term will be written in the form a plus 10 into a plus 12 minus 48. Now multiplying a plus 10 into a plus 12, you will get a square plus 12a plus 120 minus 48. So 120 minus 48 means 72. Now after middle term breakup, you'll get 12a means 18a plus 4a, and multiplication of 4a into 8a is 72a square. Now take a common part from a square plus 8a, that is a. So this part will be a into a plus 18, and from this 4a plus 17 we take 4 as common, and we get 4 into a plus 18. Now a plus 18 is a common part, so take a plus 18 as a common. you'll get a plus 18 into a plus 4, and it is our required answer. After putting the value of a, you will get the required answer. Now, applying remainder theorem, I will discuss some problem. Resolved into factors, 54x to the power 4 plus 27x cube a minus 16x minus 8a. Solution. Let function of x equal to the expression 54x to the power 4 plus 27x cube a minus 16x minus 8a. Then function of minus half a, that is, in x, replace x by half of minus a, minus half of a, you'll get 0. So if you put minus half a replacing s, you will get the function will be 0. Therefore 2x plus half of 2x plus a is a factor of f of x. Hence 2x plus a is a factor of f of x. Here 2x plus a is important because 2x plus a is a factor of f of x. Now the expression 54x to the power 4 plus 27x cube a minus 16x minus 8a. Take 2x plus a, so 2x plus a, and if you want to get 54x to the power 4, you must multiply 27x cube with 2x, and 27x cube into a is 27x cube a. Now 2x plus a minus 8 into 2x equal to minus 16x, and minus 8 into a equal to minus 8a. Now take 2x plus a as a common part, you will get 2x plus a into 27x cube minus 8, and 27x cube means 3x whole cube, and 8 means 2 whole cube. So applying a cube minus b cube formula, you'll get 3x minus 2 into 9x square plus 6x plus 4. The formula is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and it is our required result. Now another example, a cube minus a square minus 10a minus 8. Solution. Let us consider the expression as a function and put minus 1 in place of a, that is f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus minus 1 whole square minus 10 into minus 1 minus 8, and the result will be 0. So f of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, according to the factor theorem, a plus 1 is a factor of function of a. We get, so you write the third line at first before writing second line. So here a cube, so you write a plus 1 in 3 times. So a plus 1 into, if you want to get a cube, you will multiply a plus 1 into a square, that is a cube, and you'll get a square into 1, that is a square. But in first line you see minus a square, so to get minus a square you should write minus 2a square. To get minus 2a square, you must multiply a plus 1 with minus 2a. So here minus 2a is written. Now minus 2a into 1 equal to minus 2a. But in first line there is minus 10a. So we need more a, that is more 8a, minus 8a. So if you want to get minus 8a, you must multiply a plus 1 with minus 8. That will cover minus 8a. So minus 8 into a equal to minus 8a, and minus 8 into plus 1 equal to minus 8. Now in these three terms, a plus 1 is a common term. So take a plus 1 as common. You'll get a plus 1 into a square minus 2a plus 2a minus 8. And after middle term breakup, you'll get this part, a minus 4 into a plus 1 into a plus 2, and it is our record result. So dear cadets, I think you understand this example. Now some question from this chapter. These questions are very much important for your exam. First question, using remainder theorem. First, second, third question is using remainder theorem. 18x cube plus 15x square minus x minus 2. Second question, a cube minus 7a square b plus 7ab square minus b cube. And third question is important question, a cube a to the power 4 minus 4a plus 3. And question number 4 and 5 are from chapter 3.3. These are very important. Now dear cadets, it's time for homework. This 4 question is for your homework. Resolved into factors. This 4 expression. Dear cadets, if you have any query, you can ask me through comment section. Now for the last time, due to coronavirus, you are not present here. So we hope we'll meet very soon. Till then, dear cadets, stay home and remain safe. Thank you.